Lesson 3-2, slope. Alright, we have 3 ways of finding the slope. Slope, first formula, rise over the run, or we call it vertical lines, vertical distance over the horizontal distance, or y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. You will encounter all of this way of solving the problem later on when we're doing the work. Now let's work on with number 1, 2, and 3 for this moment first. Slope. Alright, now find slope of a ski run that is descends 15 feet for every horizontal change of 24 feet. Okay, so in this case we have rise over the run, or you can use the formula vertical distance over horizontal distance. So this descending should be negative, so you have negative 15 feet over 24 feet. Rise over the run, or the vertical distance over the horizontal distance. So when you have this, you simplify this, you will have, if you simplify by 3, you have negative 5 over 8. That's for slope. Number 2. Now for number 2, alright, find slope again. Rises 12 feet for every horizontal change of 100 feet. Alright, you can use the first formula, which is rise over the run, or second formula, which is vertical distance over horizontal distance. So rise is 12, so you have 12 feet over the horizontal change, which is 100 feet. To simplify this, let's say 12 simplified with 100, it's going to give you 3 over 25. So 3 over 25. Number 3. And for number 3, we have a vertical distance 72 feet. Okay, so you have this as 72 feet for vertical distance over horizontal distance, which is 24 feet. Now if you simplify this, 72 simplify with 24, that's gonna give you 3 over 1. So slope here is 3 over 1. Let's continue. Now in this case, they give us a graph and asking for slope. Now, once they give us a graph like this, to find slope is very easy. It's just counting the rise and the run of the line corresponding of the line on the point that is on the line. For example, on number 4 right here. So again, the rise over the run, the slope formula. You rise first and the run later, or the vertical line over the horizontal line. So starting from this point to this point. So let's count this one together. Rise over the run, rise 1, 2. So you have 2 over the run. So 1, 2 over the run. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have 2 over 4, or equal to 1 over 2. Simplest form. Number 5. We count the vertical first. So 1, 2, 3. So the vertical is 3 over with 1, 2, 3, and over the horizontal, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Since you count it to the left hand side, it's going to be minus 4. So this is our slope. Negative 3 over 4. Number 6. For number 6, rise over the run again. Count the rise first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way to 6. So you have 6 over 1, 2, 3, 4, over 4. This is no negative because you count to the right hand side, so no negative. If you count to the left hand side, negative. So you have 6 over 4, or simplified into 3 over 2. Number 7. Number 7, rise first. You count 1, 2, 3. So the rise is 3 and the run is 1. To the left hand side, -1, so negative slope. So slope here is -3/1. Number 8. Well, in number 8, we will apply the third formula, which is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Let's begin with this number. So let's work on the y value first. Let's say this is the first, second. The first x, second x. So with this formula, so we have y sub 2, which is 4 minus 9. 4 minus 9, you have minus 5. Over x2. x2 is 2 minus x1, which is 0. So 2 minus 0 is 2. So our slope here, -5/2. Number 9. For number 9, y2 minus y1, y2 here is 5. 5 minus 3, which is 2. Over x2, which is 1. 1 minus x1 is 0. So 1 minus 0 is 1. So 2/1. Number 10. Number 10, you have 1 minus -3. So by formula is minus. So y sub 2 is 1. Y sub 2, which is -3. So 1 minus -3 become 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. Over x2, which is 3. 3 minus -3 becomes 3 plus 3 over 6. So you have 4/6 simplified. You will have 2/3. Number 11. Sorry. Number 11. Y sub 2, which is -2. So -2 minus -4. It will become -2 plus 4. -2 plus 4, that will give you a 2. Over x sub 2, which is -1. -1 minus -2 becomes -1 plus 2. -1 plus 2, it becomes 1. So slope 2/1. Number 12. Alright, they already give us the point. y2, so this is we have x1, y1, x2, y2. So y1, which is -4. -4 minus 3, we have -7. Over 7 minus -2 becomes 7 plus 2. 7, -7/9. That's already in simplest form. Number 13. 1 minus -1, which is 1 plus 1, become 2. Over 4 minus -6 become 4 plus 6. We have 10. Simplify it. You have 1/5. Number 14. 1 minus 3, you have -2. Over 2 minus -9 become 2 plus 9/11. Number 15. 7 minus 1, you have 6. Over 2 minus 0, 2. Simplify this. 3/1. Number 16. 1 minus 5 minus 4. Over 3 minus 2, 1. So our answer is slope is -4/1 for number 15. Or number 16. Number 17, this is our last number in section 3-2. Last number. So 7 minus 2, you got 5. And 4 minus 1, you got 3. So slope is 5/3.